Well, today I had a miss when I turned it on, and it was missing. Kind of leveled out once I drove it for a while, but I went on tested it, and it said that the number one plug was bad. Well, my car only number one, so I'm finna take it out and see if it's probably holding oil. It's probably got oil around it or something. Could have flooded out and just never came back. So I've already unscrewed it. I'm just gonna reach in there and pull it out cause I couldn't find my magnet. So I'm gonna use my needle nose